everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is our Thoughtful Thursday collab once a month, hosted by our amazing friend Joy, organized with Joy. We'll have her channel linked in the description box below, as well as a link to the playlist, so please check her out and the playlist. They're all amazing. And let's get started. I'm going to be cleaning my bathroom. And I'm going to be talking about Christmas, because it's the Christmas season. So let's get started. So, like I said in the intro, I'm going to talk about Christmas, because this is the Christmas season, Christmas time. And with everything going on in the world, I know it's hard, but you shouldn't let that make you feel like you can't celebrate Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or whatever it is you celebrate. Put up your tree and your decorations and bake your cookies and spend time with your friends and family and go see Christmas lights and sing carols and put up your menorah and all that stuff. Do whatever you want to do that makes you happy, because we only get so many holiday seasons, you know? You never know when it's going to be your last holiday season. And always remember to give back, because a lot of people are less fortunate, especially a lot of people today, because of the way the world is. And we should be doing it all year round as well. And spend time with your friends and your family. And don't forget that Jesus is the reason for the season. Without him being born, we wouldn't have Christmas. So, yeah. Go to church and all that as well. Because it's really hard with the way the world is today to find happiness. But Christmas only comes around once a year, and you should find ways to celebrate. You know? There's always ways you can find happiness. You know? And it's hard, but we can do it. And, you know, bake your cookies and your baked goods. Have your kids help you, spend time with your kids and your family and your friends, and go to the parties if you want to, and drive around and see Christmas lights. I always love doing that. And, you know, just enjoy it. And because I know that it's hard to do that, especially in these times right now. But you can. Don't let anyone or anything make you feel like you shouldn't or you can't. You can do whatever you want to. Don't let anyone take away your joy and happiness in whatever you like to do. And so, yeah. You can decorate your whole house. You can decorate one part of your house. You can do whatever you want. Just bring some joy and cheer back into your life. Show it off to others if that makes you feel good. Maybe to bring some cheer and joy into their lives. And maybe it'll bring some happiness back into the world that we definitely need right now. So, yeah. That's what I wanted to talk about, is Christmas time and how hard it is right now, because I know it's hard, and you should always give back this time of year, but also all year round as well. It shouldn't just be this time of year. You know, you always call it the season for giving, and it is, but it should also be giving all year round as well. You know, for less fortunate people and pets. There are a lot of animals in need as well. So, don't forget them. And everyone deserves to have something to open on Christmas Day. And, yeah. So, I hope everyone enjoys this season and enjoys whatever holiday they may celebrate. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, what have you. Just enjoy it all the best that you can. Don't let anyone take that joy from you. Don't let anyone make you feel like you can't celebrate what it is that you celebrate because of who you are. Because they can't take that away from you just because of how they are. And yeah. So, like I said, enjoy your Christmas season and give back and put up your tree, decorate, and all that fun stuff. Because it only comes around once a year. And we should all enjoy this season the way we want to. And now I'm going to put some music to the rest of this cleaning video, and I hope it gives you some inspiration to clean your bathroom or clean whatever part of the house you are cleaning.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Show me hope and glory, write us a different story.
you enjoyed this Thoughtful Thursday video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to click the little bell icon so you know when the next video is coming out. And as always, all of our social media will be linked in the description box below, as well as a link to Joy's channel, Organized with Joy, and a link to the playlist. So don't forget to check her out. She's amazing, and also the playlist. You'll love everyone. And thank you for watching.